Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about trigonometry. The topic that is about we need to prove this equation. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to focus about this one. So we see that this one we can put into 3 cosine s square and cosine s square. Next, number 3 and number 3 we can do about factorization. Next, we have the formula in here. Cosine s square plus sine s square equals to number 1. And now we change about this one into number 1. Next, we have the second formula in here. Tan x, that is about sine s over cosine s. So tan s we change by sine s over cosine s. Now sine s we simplify. Cosine s we can put in here. This one we have 3 cosine s and we have cosine s to the power of 3, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.